So this is the second device that I purchased from them. When I turn it on, as you can see, it doesn't spin, it's not moving. It's already to the max over here. The polarity's on number 2. Even if I turn it, I'll have to hit it. Let me see. But it does not work. It hums. I can feel it vibrating or the moving, but it does not work. This is a faulty machine. I had the same issue with the first machine. I'm not happy that I spent my money on this and that have not got a full use out of this machine. It has been out of order for the past 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I just decided to try to use it again to see what will happen, but it's not working.
St. Thomas or Angola. Page 325. You shall be
It's on. It's on.
St. Thomas or Angola. Page 293. And a woman shall suffer the same penalty of whipping and exile to the island of Principe.
Okay, so everything works great. You turn it on, you can switch directions, and it turns on nicely. Sometimes. See how it stopped? Because the DC outlet is a little loose and wiggly. So if it moves at all like that, you'll see it stops in the middle of clients, even though it's on, and I have to come over here and wiggle it, which is a tad unprofessional. I've reached out to the company about 2 minutes ago. Hopefully they'll get back to me with a way to fix it or a replacement, because my return window has closed about 4 days ago.
Honestly, I never did nails before, but I'm always looking for something to do, something interesting. So I got this nail drill set, and it comes with this, and it's pretty cool. It comes with the handle that holds it to the side, and it comes with this one that you could just lie it down like that. Whatever. So this is like my first time trying to do my nails, so I'm not a professional nail person, but this kit looks like something that they will use in the nail salon, so I give thumbs up for this one.
So basically, I was trying to do my nails, I trimmed them, cut them down, and I basically started to file them down and do a little soak off or whatever. Basically, my drill has stopped working. It's like, I don't know, vibrating, but it's not like doing anything. And I only had it for like 2.5 months. I was you and I was trying to buy this drill, I would look somewhere else.
So it turns on. But it doesn't go forward. It goes in reverse. Had it for 3 months.
Okay, so I cut it on, right? And I turn it up. Nothing. Literally nothing. It's plugged in and everything. Cut it off. Cut it on. Literally nothing. Like, not spinning. Nothing.
I ordered my nail drill set on May the 11th and it came May the 13th, pretty fast. It came with this and drill head dollars. Also this, just in case I don't want to sit it here, I can sit it here. Really nice set, I love it.
Was there the whole time. Everything about Johnny, Sussex, right there on the computer, whole time. It's Definitely need a drink.